Hello guys, today I am going to show you about the project I have been working on for last 2 weeks. In this project, in Unreal Engine, sorry for that, in Unreal Engine, and I'm using C++ alone, and in some cases I will be using Blueprint, that too in some unavoidable circumstances. And I have implemented some of the small basic frameworks for the game, like inventory system, weapon switching mechanism, and stat system. I have used gameplay effect for stats since it is a very powerful system, and it can easily integrate with gameplay abilities and other kind of systems. So I I thought it would be better to have it so that even when we need to improve the game to a better state, better level, we can just extend the capabilities. And I will also show you guys how the inventory system can be used. Collected inventory items can be used to affect the stats of the player also in this video. I won't be showing the weapon system in this video, but I will show you the other three things. Let me show you the inventory interaction system at first. We can interact with the inventory items scattered around the world, like this. If you see here, there are items that are spawned in the level during the runtime. These are inventory items. As you can see, whenever I go near it, it displays the text description about the items. So let me just select interact with one of them. See, I have picked it up. If you look into the item, it is inside. I'm picking up health, and if you look into it, it is available in the inventory. Similarly, it goes the same for other items also. This one here is the container, item container. What it is like is, it is like a box that contains items. We can interact with this item, with this container, and get all the items inside of this container. In this present moment of the game development, the player don't have options of selecting the interested items alone. The entire list of items gets added to the inventory. Once the UA and other kind of stuffs are implemented by me, I will include those capabilities also to the game. So now let me just press E. See, I have collected 4 items, and this one here is an dead player. We can load the dead player too in this memory as container. I am collecting other inventory items too. Okay, if you see, the player will be there, but the other items won't be there. I don't know what this is. I just added the dead player for testing the looting capabilities. Okay, what I was saying. Yeah, this inventory items get destroyed upon interacting with them, whereas the container or other things which should not be destroyed will stay in the level even after interaction. Now let me show you the stats. I have stat system such that the health and the stamina of the player increases, regenerates automatically. For example, here the health regenerates up to 50%, whereas the stamina regenerates to complete extent. But they are limited, but they only regenerates when the character is not taking any damage or is not draining his stamina. That I will show you now. Here, if you look at it, I am using gameplay tags to mask the gameplay effects that are applied on the attributes. Here, whenever the energy drain gameplay tag is applied to the character, what it does is it will not allow the health and stamina to rise or regenerate. Since I have disabled all the gameplay abilities, gameplay tags, if you look into it now, my health will automatically regenerate. See, health is regenerating and stamina also will regenerate, but the health will regenerate up to 50% only. Stamina regenerates to complete extent. Let me pick up the items again. That is fun. What? Yeah. Okay, the stamina and health are regenerated. Now let me show you another one thing. Whenever the health alone gets damaged, whenever the player gets damaged by some exterior factors, it won't affect the stamina regeneration because the health is not health and stamina. Yeah, that is how I have planned the logic, but it might also change in the future. I am not sure about it, but I felt like it will be interesting. Maybe I am wrong. I will know in the future development cycle. Now let me show you that other thing that I am just talking about. Health drain. Whenever the health drains, stamina will regenerate, but the health won't. If you look into the stats in the bottom left corner, you can see that stamina rises but health remains constant. That is how it works. Let me just add energy drain alone, and this lung immune, it is not yet implemented, and I won't show a demo of that in this video. Now I'm going to show how I can use inventory items to affect the stats. Let me first start with affecting the lung. Let me collect health, and I am going to collect the item from the container and from the dead person. Okay, now let me before that I have mapped two keys to inventory items for testing around. One is when we press one button, the health in the inventory item will be consumed. For example, I'm having 2 health and 2 lung enhancer, and by pressing 2 button it will consume the lung enhancer, and both of them will have gameplay effects. First of all, let me show you how health effect occurs. Let me press 1. I'm going to press 1. See, health increases and health increases. I'm pressing again, but it does not show any effect since it is not available in inventory. Let me do the same with the lung. I'm going to press 2. See, what the lung enhancer effect does is it will increases the stats over a period of time. We can stack 2 or 3 effect. See, if you want the effect to be increased faster, then we can stack 2 effect together so that it will start increasing faster. That is how it works, guys. Thank you for watching. That's all for now. Bye bye. Have a great day.